Hello everyone. Welcome to Shri Swaminarayan Physiotherapy College, Ahmedabad YouTube channel. I, Dr. Himani, will explain about force. Before move towards our topic, to get latest notifications, I would like to request all the viewers kindly like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. What is force? Force is that which alters the state of rest of body or its uniform motion. Can you see this picture? Now, composition of force. The application of the body is specified by first the direction of the force, direction of arrow, second the magnitude of the force, length of arrow, third the point of application, tail of arrow. A single force applied to a body which is free to move causes movement in the direction of the force. Two forces acting in the same direction and at a common point are equivalent to a single force acting in that direction whose magnitude is equal to the sum of magnitude of the individual force. Here, the object is stable and the two persons are pushing the object from the same side, and because of force applied, these two persons object moved in opposite direction. Two unequal forces acting at a common point and in opposite direction will result in a state of equilibrium. The picture shows here the two persons are standing into different direction of the object, that is a ball, and both are giving equal force on an object from both the direction. As force of both the persons is equal on an object from opposite direction, the object won't move and achieve state of equilibrium. Two unequal forces acting at a common point and in opposite direction will result in movement in the direction of the greater force. The magnitude of the force will be equal to the difference between the two forces. Example, in tug of war, the rope is pulled from both the sides. Here, the force acts on the rope, but the side on which there is greater force of pull, the rope will move towards that side. Law of parallelogram. Sometimes the forces are acting at an angle to each other may be compounded to produce that desired effect. That desired effect is resultant vector r, is the direction in which object will actually move. This is a law of parallelogram. Two unequal forces acting at different points and in opposite direction produce rotation of body. Two unequal forces acting at different points and in opposite direction produce the rotation of body.